Hello, my friends! As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 52 and teach you how to use infinitive, it means to, and gerund, it means ing. For example, I want to do, I enjoy dancing. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 52. To, I want to do. And ing, I enjoy doing. Section A. Verbs plus to, I want to do. Want, hope, need, plan, expect, promise, decide, offer, refuse, try, forget, learn, plus to, for example, to do, to work, to be. What do you want to do this evening? It's not very late. You don't need to go home yet. Tina has decided to sell her car. You forgot to switch off the light when you went out. My brother is learning to drive. I tried to read my book, but I was too tired. Section B. Verbs plus ing. I enjoy doing. Enjoy, mind, stop, finish, suggest, plus ing, doing, working, being, etc. I enjoy dancing, not enjoy to dance. I don't mind getting up early. Has it stopped raining? Sonia suggested going to the cinema. Section C. Verbs plus ing or to. Like, prefer, love, hate, start, begin, continue. Plus ing, doing, etc. or to do, etc. Do you like getting up early? Or do you like to get up early? I prefer traveling by car. Or I prefer to travel by car. Anna loves dancing. Or Anna loves to dance. I hate being late. Or I hate to be late. It started raining. Or it started to rain. Section D. Would like to. Would like, would prefer, would love, would hate, plus to do, to work, to be, etc. Amy would like to meet you. I would love to go to Australia. Would you like to sit down? No, I prefer to stand. Thank you. I like this apartment. I wouldn't like to move. I live in a small village. I would hate to live in a big city. Now it's time for exercises. 52.1. Put the verb in the right form, to or ing. Number 1. I enjoy dancing. Number 2. What do you want to do tonight? Number 3. Bye. I hope to see you again soon. Number 4. I learned to swim when I was 5 years old. Number 5. Have you finished cleaning the kitchen? Number 6. Where is Anna? I need to ask her something. Number 7. Do you enjoy visiting other countries? Number 8. The weather was nice, so I suggested going for a walk by the river. Number 9. Where is Ben? He promised to be here on time. Number 10. I'm not in a hurry. I don't mind waiting. Number 11. What have you decided to do? Number 12. Dan was angry and refused to speak to me. Number 13. I am tired. I want to go to bed. Number 14. I was very upset and started crying. Or we can say, I was very upset and started to cry. Number 15. I am trying to work. Please stop talking. 52.2. Complete the sentences using to or ing. Use these verbs: go, go, help, lose, rain, read, see, send, wait, watch. Number 1. Have you ever been to Australia? No, but I would love to go. Number 2. Amy had a lot to do, so I offered to help her. Number 3. I am surprised that you are here. I didn't expect to see you. Number 4. Kate has a lot of books. She enjoys reading. Number 5. This ring was my grandmother's. I would hate losing it. Number 6. Don't forget to send us a card when you are on holiday. Number 7. I am not going out until it stops raining. Number 8. What shall we do this afternoon? Would you like to go to the beach? Number 9. When I am tired in the evenings, I like to watch TV. Or we can say, I like watching TV. Number 10. Shall we go now? No, I would prefer to wait a few minutes. 52.3. Complete the answers to the questions. Number 1. Do you usually get up early? Yes, I like to get up early. Number 2. Do you ever go to museums? Yes, I enjoy going to museums. Number 3. Would you like to go to a museum now? No, I am hungry. I prefer to go to a restaurant. Number 4. Do you drive a lot? No, I don't like driving. Or we can say, no, I don't like to drive. Number 5. Have you ever been to New York? No, but I would love to go there one day. Number 6. Do you often travel by train? Yes, I enjoy traveling. Number 7. Shall we walk home or take a taxi? I don't mind walking, but a taxi would be quicker. 52.4. Complete these sentences. Write about yourself. Use to or ing. Number 1. I enjoy cooking. Number 2. I don't like studying. Number 3. If it's a nice day tomorrow, I would like to go to the beach. Number 4. When I am on holiday, I like to do very little. Number 5. I don't mind traveling alone, but I prefer to travel with somebody. Number 6. I wouldn't like to live in a big city. Now, this is the end of unit number 52. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 53. Till then, bye bye.